Good morning students. Myself Rachna Shukla welcomes you to our YouTube channel of Gyanmanjari Modern School. Today I am here with Standard 8 subject Maths and we have completed lesson number 1, that is rational number. Now we are here back again with lesson number 2, exponents. So this is new chapter for you students, lesson number 2, exponents. Now we will have a quick revision about what is exponent and what is power. So if I give you one example, that is 2 raised to 5. Your question is 2 raised to 5. What we can speak? 2 raised to 5 or 2 to the power 5. So here we can write like this way: 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 raised to 5 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is, you have to multiply 2 5 times and note down the answer. What will be your answer? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. This will be your answer. Here 2 is known as the base. What is 2 known as? 2 is the base of this question. And what is 5 known as? 5 is known as power or exponent or index. The term used for 5 is, we can speak that 2 to the power 5 or 2 raised to 5. So 5 is the power or exponent or index of the base 2. I will show you one more example of a negative number. Minus 3 raised to 4. So you can elaborate this thing as minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. 4 times you have to multiply minus 3 and you have to note down your answer. Okay? 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 81. Your answer will be 81 but plus 81. How plus 81? Minus minus plus. Again plus minus 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 plus. It is 4 times minus, so your answer will be positive 81. If minus will be 5 times, then you will get minus, and it is even times minus, so answer will be positive plus 81. Here minus 3 is the base and 4 is the power or index or exponent. Clear? What is the base and what is the power? You can speak as minus 3 raised to 4 or minus 3 to the power 4. This was the just general introduction about what is power, exponent or index and what is the base. Now we will see the definition of exponent. First you note down these two things in your fair book. You have to write these two things in your fair book. Now we will write the definition, and the definition also you have to write in your fair book. The definition is exponential notation. The representation for all notation for expressing the representation or notation for expressing the product of an integer with itself several times is known as exponential notation. So, I repeat once again the definition of exponential notation. This also you will write in your fair book. The representation or notation for expressing the product of an integer with itself several times is known as exponential notation. Now we will see examples which are very easy. Actually this chapter is very easy. So we will start with our example 1, and all the examples you will write in your example book. Starting with example 1. The example 1 of your textbook, evaluate. Number 1, 3 upon 4 to the power 3. Number 2, minus 5 upon 6 to the power 2. Third one, minus 2 upon 3 to the power 3. And fourth one, 2 upon 5 to the power 4. Now your question is evaluate. What is your question? Evaluate. You have to evaluate 3 upon 4 to the power 3. So 3 into 3 into 3 upon 4 into 4 into 4. We have to multiply the base, that is 3 upon 4, 3 times. How many times? 3 times, because here the power is 3. So multiply this number and this number 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then you will write down your answer. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 upon 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. This is your answer. Like this way you will do all the sums. Second sum. Minus 5 into minus 5 2 times. Why 2 times? Because your power is 2. 6. 6 into 6 is equal to 25 upon 36. Minus minus will become plus. Remember the rule of multiplication sign, that is minus minus plus. 25 upon 36. Next sum. Minus 2 raised to 3 is 3 times. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, 3. 3 into 3 into 3 also 3 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Minus 8. Why minus 8? Minus minus plus, plus minus minus. 3 times negative sign means minus 8. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Your answer is minus 8 upon 27. Now this one, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times. Why 4 times? Because you have 2 to the power 4. 5. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Why 4 times? Because you have 5 to the power 4. You will calculate and write down your answer by yourself. So this was example 1, which you will write down in your example book. So note down this 4 sums. am writing down more sums of power and exponents only. Evaluate sums. Your example 2 upon 7 to the power 2. These all sums are of evaluation only. So then example 3, 2 upon 7 to the power 3. Example 3 and example 4. Sorry, this was example 4 and this was 5. 4 is minus 2 upon 7 square and minus 2 upon 7 cube. Now, we will see how to solve these sums. Your question is 2 upon 7 to the power 2. So, multiply 2 times 2 and 2 times 7. Very simple. 2 into 2 upon 7 into 7. 2 2s are 4. 7 7s are 49. This is your answer, students. Next. 2 upon 7 to the power 3. 3 times 2 into 2 into 2 upon 7 into 7 into 7. That means multiply it. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 7 7s are 49, 49 7s are 343. The cube of 7 is 343. Note down these sums. Now this one. See, the difference between this question is here it is 2 upon 7 and here it is minus 2 upon 7. So, negative sign here minus 2 into minus 2 upon 7 into 7. Your question is only the difference of one negative sign, that is here it is positive and here it is negative. Minus 2 into minus 2. 2 2s are 4, 7 7s are 49. Minus minus plus. Remember, minus minus plus. Same answer, 4 upon 49, 4 upon 49. But coming here, same sum, 2 upon 7 to the power 3, and the change is here, minus 2 upon 7 to the power 3. Your question is minus 2 upon 7 to the power 3. So, minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 upon 7 into 7 into 7. So, minus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 upon 7 7s are 49, 49 7s are 343. But minus minus plus, plus minus minus. Your answer is minus 8 upon 343. What is your answer? Minus 8, and here it was plus 8 because we got here minus 2 3 times. So we have answer as minus 8. Please note down these all examples up till 5 number in your example book. Now example 6. Example 6 is 27 upon 64 and minus 8 upon 27 as powers of rational number. Up till 5 sums, we saw that we were expanding the rational numbers. See, this is a rational number, we were expanding it. But here we have to express as a power of rational number. So what we will do? 27, the first one is 27 upon 64. All of you know that 27 means 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. And 64 means 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Is equal to 3 upon 4 to the power 3. What will be your answer, students? 3 upon 4 to the power 3. Now, our second question. Minus 8 upon 27. Your question is minus 8 upon 27. 8 means 2 into 2 into 2 or 2 cube. But you have minus. So, minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. But minus 8. Therefore, minus 2. 27 means 3 cube. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Now how we will write in a power form of rational number? Minus 2 upon 3 whole to the power 3. Why 3? Because both these numbers are 3 times. So to the power 3. Also note down these 6 numbers sum. Now students, this was all for today's part, that is power and exponent, which is very easy chapter. 2, I have shown you the sum of 2 to the power 5. So 2 is the base and 5 is the power or exponent or index. Okay, and we have seen so many sums, that is more than 5 examples. Now you have to note down your homework. First of all, for today's homework, in example book, you will note down 1 to 6 examples of lesson number 2. 1 to 6 examples of lesson number 2. Because you have already completed all your examples of lesson number 1, and then you will start lesson number 2, example 1 to 6, lesson number 2. Now coming to the exercise book or fair book. See, in fair book, some of the exercises of lesson number 1 is left. So first you will complete that lesson number 1 and then I will give you lesson 2 homework. First, homework for exercise book, lesson number 1, rational number. You have to complete first this lesson and then start lesson number 2. I repeat students, first complete this lesson number 1, rational number, and then start lesson number 2 from a new page. What I have taught you today, that means you have to write 2 examples, the power, base, each and everything in this video, what I gave you as introduction and then the definition, but only after completing lesson 1. So in lesson 1, you have to do exercise 1D. Question number 1, 2. Then exercise 1E, question number 1 and 2. All the sums you have to do of question number 1 and 2. Exercise 1F, question number 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 and 10. I repeat once again. Exercise 1F, number 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 10 and exercise 1G, question number 1, 2 and 3. So with these exercises you will complete your chapter number 1, that is rational number, in your fair book, and after completing that lesson you have to start lesson number 2, that means which I taught you today, 2 examples and the definition of exponential notation. First complete lesson number 1, exercise 1D, question 1, 2, exercise 1E, question 1, 2, exercise 1F, question 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 10 and exercise 1G, question 1, 2, 3. This is your homework. Click photos in your WhatsApp group and send it to the particular number, and also the examples, example 1 to 6 of lesson number 2. Okay students, so that was all for today. Now we will meet with a new video, a new part continuing the chapter, that is exponents. Till then, bye bye, thank you.